Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Anup. Right. So Chaitanya, write in the new line. Press enter. Press enter here.
Okay.
It will come in new line. So now you have to like square root of what? Right? 36 star 0.5. Space. Right. Run this 6. Correct. Now
Yes.
you here you give me a square of 6 in the below
Square
section.
of 6.
Press enter. It always go to the
Okay.
next line. So there is a hashtag no in the starting. That whole line will be
Yes, sir.
treated as a comment. So it's just a text.
Okay.
Python will skip it. 6 star star 2. Write this enter.
Yes.
Right. It's correct.
So will this be counted as float?
Yeah, it's float. You can check the type. Check the type of 36 stars are right inside here only. Whatever you doubt feel, just do it right there only, and you will not. Yeah, correct. Float.
Yes.
Now you go to string. Next question.
Can you do it for square also? The type
Do it for square also. Yeah, this is int.
Yeah, integer. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Now go to strings. So now, yeah, this is, I think Anup has not seen, but we know that a string S is it being stored as a collection of characters. Okay, just like word is a
Okay, sir.
collection of characters now. So just like a list, I can fetch the characters. I can, I think Chaitanya will show you. So now you have to print E using indexing. How can you do that?
Using indexing. Sir,
Yeah. Go come to the next line. Enter. Yeah.
Print.
You can directly use S. No, we need not to print this.
Okay.
S and S and no, new line. Yeah, index S, normal brackets, and which index E is at what place? Do it
E,
first.
okay.
This. Yeah.
One.
Yeah, one you can do.
One.
Yeah, write it. E is there. Now you print O. How can you print that?
Oh. Sir, S.
4.
Yeah. Now you print S -1. So -1 means start the indexing in the opposite direction. S -1.
That is 3, I guess.
So will this bracket also work?
Brackets. No, square brackets. You were saying something, Anup. Do it.
Yeah. Minus the negative integer will also work here. Or,
yeah. Negative means reverse direction, change direction. So HLLO is the normal direction. -1 will be 0 LLO H. Run this. O is there. Now next question. Reverse the string using slicing. How can you reverse it using slicing? So I want an output to be OLLEH. How can you do that?
Sir, do we?
First of all, let's do it using a for loop. You write a for loop, make a new string which will store everything in the opposite direction. How can you do that? That can work as a homework. So you have to like reverse it. I have seen -1. So now first of all,
yes,
give me LL. How can you fetch LL from here?
Sir,
using indexing, give me LL.
Okay.
So indexing is like square brackets, start index, colon, and end index. So you can do what? 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 4 because 0 is not included. And run this LL. You got right. Now you do fetch me. Now you do -2 to 4. -2 to -4. Or you do -2 to 4.
-2
to 4. You will get
L.
L. Why? So -2 is go in the reverse direction 2 places. 0 and L. And 4 is go in the forward direction 4. So L. So you are just printing one item. Now you fetch me from -1 to -1 to 4.
0.
Yeah. 5. You can do 5. You cannot do 5. Yeah.
So
no, you just do
-0. Will it come invalid?
Yeah. So you leave it. Yeah. You go to 0 to -1 to -0.
Okay.
What do you do? minus,
1, 2.
maybe write 1. First you write 1. Just write 1. What are you getting?
Nothing.
Now you do 2. Okay, do minus 2. Okay, maybe just do minus 1. Let's see what you are getting. Remove the range and do minus 1. Yeah, you are
Oh.
getting 0, right? Oh, you are getting O. So now you want to go up to what? Start from minus 0 and go to minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Go to minus 5. Do slicing up to minus 5. Or you can do,
So do we,
yeah.
can we just print it like this, where
Try it. Whatever comes to your mind, you should.
-1, like giving individual values for everything.
I think
Yeah, yes, exactly.
individual values would. Yeah,
Would
yeah.
be.
What I am thinking is individual values will generate a space or some codes like what OS,
Okay.
or will
You
it
can.
give a string of letters?
Yeah. You will get a list of letters. So now let
Okay.
me just remove all this. Let us learn a new thing, right? You remove this also, remove this also, remove this
Okay.
also. Right. So now you write. So now I want you to fetch me E and L. How can you do that? E and L. E and the and E and O, or E and L, the second L. So in Python, we have Python is kind of very smart. So I can provide start index, end index, and I can provide step size. Right. So I want E second,
Oh, yes,
every
sir.
second letter. Right. We discussed this also. So you do it
Yes, sir.
S. So Anup, whatever you are
Yeah,
thinking,
yeah.
correct, right? So that is how we used to do it in C programming language, in C++. So normally I have to write a for loop for every letter in this. I have to create a new string and add item to that, right? Like that. You were thinking same way we have to do. We can maybe do it as a homework. How can I use a for loop? So write S square brackets. Start from the first index 0 colon. So first 0 colon and go up to the last colon. Do
Okay,
just
square.
colon, because I'm not giving
Okay,
the.
okay.
Just do colon. Colon. One
Again,
more
colon.
colon. Yeah, one more colon. And in a step
1,
of 2,
2.
right? 2. Now run it. So I'm getting L. So starting from H, it will skip E, it will go to L, it will skip the second L, it will go to O in a step of 2.
Sir,
Now you do step of 3. Let's see what we get. I think we'll get HEL. Yeah, HL, right? Now you go in a step of 4. You will get only one, I think, just the first letter, H or O. Like first one H, then E, L all gone, and 4, right? Now,
sir, wait.
yeah.
Can we do -1?
Yes, do it. Run it.
I ran it.
So now remove this also. So like what it is saying, it is saying, see, it is saying go to start from H, go to up to the, I have not given any index. That means go to the end of the string in a step of -1. So basically it says go from H to O in the reverse direction. That is only one item, right? So you have to do -1.
-1.
I think it's the same thing. So you have to remove this index. Remove all the index. Starting index also remove.
Okay.
No. Just remove the index. Colon
Okay.
-1. Colon -1. Yes.
Colon
That's it.
-1.
Yes. Colon -1. That means start from the, yeah. See, this is my answer. Start from the beginning,
Okay.
go up to the end in the reverse order. Right.
Okay.
This is one good way of, so like for until now,
Got it.
yeah, we have to do it like writing so we have to create a temporary variable where I will store each and every character, and in a new string I have to keep adding in the reverse order. I have to write a for loop or like that. But now with Python I can do it just like this. In Java I think we can just do s.sort or s.reverse. All that functionality is there. Right now, same, this question we have already done. Give like two methods which can produce the letter O. How? Give me two methods.
Okay.
One method is what? S4, and the other method is S of minus 1. Do it quickly. Let's go ahead.
Yes, sir.
So S of 4 is the same thing, and down in the second method too, you write S of 4, S of minus 1, S of minus 1. Run it. It's also
Yes.
both we have discussed. Come down. Next question. So we build this list in two separate ways. This is question is good. How can you create a list of 0, 0, 0? So one thing is simple. List 1 is equal to 0, 0, 0. You do it. Write it. Method
Yes.
1. Simple, no?
Yes, sir.
Give a name. List 1, list 2, whatever you want. List. Do not give the name list, because list is
Okay,
by
list
default
one.
a keyword. Yeah. Always keep in mind. Is equal to square bracket 0, 0, 0.
I think you're writing O.
Oh, yeah,
It
it's
is
O.
not
Oh,
zero.
yeah.
Yeah. It happens. It's like nearby only. 0 and O both are it.
Mm.
And use commas. This.
Come on.
Yeah.
I use
Yeah,
it stuff.
comma should be used.
All these things you will get used to, like once you do assignment and all, right? Now you run this. Now print list 1, or just write list 1, enter. List 1, control enter. Yeah, so you are getting. Now how can you do the next thing? You can do what? List
What?
2 is equal to a bracket open, bracket close, square brackets.
Mm.
Inside you do 0 into 3, and maybe you can run it if you want. Run it. So basically, you have to do list 0 into 3. So put the bracket in after 0. Close the bracket after 0, not after 3.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, I'm just giving 3 items. Close the same thing. So right, same thing. List 2 is fine.
Yes.
Same way. Now, if you want to do, if you do hello into 3, and then do alt enter, alt enter,
All done. To
alt enter. Now you write string hello. No, string means like inside quotes.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, hello. Just a word hello in single quotes.
Now you do
Yeah.
star 3. Star multiplied by 3, and run this. You will get hello, right? So this is we have not seen, but like we can do like this also. We can repeat multiple strings and all. I can store this in a new string.
Yeah.
Okay. So you
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
write.
okay, sir. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Next, go to.
It is more or less like, yeah, I have a thing to like add on. Yeah, if you give space, that would be fine. And if you, there is one more thing where we can express in terms of the square root, like, can you try 0.5 multiplied by 0.5? Let me see what happens.
So like you cannot, because type float,
only for whole number.
My whole number. So it is written in the error. It says ki for non-int I cannot multiply by float. So if it is a number, I can, so like 5 mango, 4 mango, 2 car, 3 bike, I can do all this multiplication. But 1 bike into 0.5 half bike, like in Python, does not make sense. So it says the same thing.
Yes.
Right. So now,
Okay.
next question. And one more thing, space, for all of us, it means nothing, but in Python, it has a specific meaning. So space is stored proper. It takes a proper signature in bits.
Okay.
We have discussed, right? So it will take up space is there. It will treat that as space. It will not remove that. Next is reassign hello to a goodbye, right? So I want to, so in this list L3, list 3, I want to change this, this item hello to goodbye. How can you do this? First, you fetch hello from this. Come on, Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Oh. List 3, do indexing. 0, 1, 2.
List 2, I guess.
Yeah, 2. Run this.
List 2.
Run this first. Hello. Now in this list, I want what? 2. Second item.
List 4. 3. 2.
2.
Yes. 2. Yeah, do it to hello. Now I want to change it to goodbye. I will do is equal to goodbye. Do is equal to goodbye. Inside quotes, always inside quotes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a string. No, if it is a variable,
sir.
then yeah, it is fine. Yeah. Now do it. Now run L3. Now print L3. Just write L3 and run.
Okay.
Come down in the line below. L3 list 3. Yeah. Run it. Yeah. See, it's changed to goodbye. Okay. Now
Yes.
you want to sort this list. How can you do that?
Yeah, one more thing. Like I only need the value goodbye. So once you have changed from hello to goodbye, so I only want to fetch goodbye. So how will I do it?
And print list and again the
The
same.
same thing. Yeah. So you print it, list 3.
Yeah,
Yeah. In list
yeah,
3,
you can do it.
yeah. So it's goodbye. Yeah, it is goodbye. You can check the type of this. Check type list 322. Like just wrap it inside type.
Okay.
It's an str. It's a string, right? So you got this value.
It's a string. Yeah.
Now you want to sort this. How can you sort this thing? Maybe
Sorted. Okay.
you should try to solve this without using this Python. Only for loop you should use. Right, enter. Now how can you sort? So there are special methods. Just like in list we have list.append. Similarly, we have list.sort. Do list4.sort. Dot sort. Bracket open, bracket close. Run this. Small those parentheses, normal bracket.
Okay.
This is for indexing. Square bracket is for indexing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now run this. So now you have to assign it, okay, or print it. Maybe do list 4. Now do list 4. No, or yeah, just list 4. Yeah, you can use print also, but yeah, run this. Now it is sorted. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do alt enter. So this is a method which comes with list by default. Okay. So list dot sort, for with any list, I will get this method sort. Now there is a method which comes by default with Python also. You can do sort in bracket pass list 4. Sort.
Okay, sir.
Or better, you say sorted. Sorted. Ed list 4.
Okay.
List 4 in bracket you pass list 4.
Okay.
Run this now. Now it is see 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like this is different. Okay. List 4.sort is a method which comes from list only because of the list. Because like so by doing dot I can access to some properties and some methods. So if you have a phone, that means you can send someone SMS, you can call someone, you can take a picture. Right. If you have phone, that means you can check whatever what is where your RAM is. What processor do you have? How much megapixel is your camera is? So just like your phone or any object has some attributes and some methods, similarly, every data type has some attributes and methods, right? So list dot sort, string dot capitalize, string dot upper, string dot lower, all this like me and Chaitanya have seen, which I think me and Anup will discuss also in some next class. Right. Now come to the next question.
I have one more doubt.
Yes.
One minute, sir. I have one more doubt. You have sorted this list 4, which is there here in
it is already sorted,
ascending order.
Yeah. So we can pass
ascending order.
Yeah, you can pass an argument. Yeah, you can pass. So go to list 4, the cell 72. Cell 72. Click on T, come to T, SORT. T, do shift tab. Shift and tab. Yeah. So now you click on plus sign. Right. So this is the definition, documentation of this method. So list.sort, that means, so these are like reverse is equal to false. Reverse, if I do true, that means in the descending order. So there is an argument which I can pass. So now, right. So now you click, now you go inside sort function. Leave it. Yeah. Inside sort, you do reverse is equal to true inside the bracket. Okay. In reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Capital T. Okay. Now go down, just see what error is saying. Now run. See, it is 65431. So good question, Anu. Right. So we have
Yeah. One more thing.
Yes.
What I got right now
Yes.
after seeing the numbers over here, and there are even numbers and odd numbers. Like,
Yeah.
can you quickly tell me how we can do that?
How to sort? Yeah. So this is in we have like done this in homework, right? I'll give
Sir,
you.
can we do if condition if
Yeah. Exactly.
number is divided by if
Maybe
it's
Yeah, if
maybe Chaitanya, you can
yeah.
write a for loop right now to solve this question, right? Just write below list 4. You write a for loop. Do alt enter, just do alt enter, get a new cell for yourself. Now write a for loop for num, like num in list 4
for
colon enter, like the same we discussed.
yes,
So
sir.
now I have to write an if condition.
if num is
spelling, check the spelling. Num
okay.
just num. Num percentage 2, because we want to check the remainder when divided by 2. So now it don't no is there is will
Okay.
not be there. Yeah. Num
Why is
percentage 2 is equal to
so I didn't know is
no is no, because
I
we are
think
dividing every number.
I think the meeting
Okay.
is about to end. 1 minute,
Yeah.
sir. I think.
I'll share a new link in the same chat.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Right, sir.
is equal to zero is true.
equal to, because you want to check is equal to
Okay.
0.
0
Then colon